Good afternoon. I'm Caroline Vanderlip, CEO of SharedBook, and with me is Bridget Williams, Head of Business Development. By last count, there were more than 14 billion pages of content on the web. And while much of it can be considered disposable, there's also a significant amount of content that people would like to manipulate and to save. Enter SharedBook, a reverse publishing platform that allows businesses and consumers alike to combine content from multiple sources and to republish that content into a book structure that can sit as a flip book on the web or be professionally printed. We're very excited today at Demo to be introducing our APIs, which will allow any website to flow content into the SharedBook platform for on-demand output. To see reverse publishing in action, let's take you to our custom integration partner, Legacy.com. Legacy operates the obituary websites for the vast majority of US newspapers, and they provide online guest books used by family and friends to post stories and photos of the deceased. SharedBook now gives Legacy a way to monetize these guest books by reverse publishing their content. Let's take the example of Richard Cowan, whose obit appeared in the Washington Post. The user enters Mr. Cowan's guest book, where you can see that family and friends have added 5 pages of comments. After clicking professionally printed guest book on the right, we're taken to an information page, and then to a page where some additional data can be captured that Legacy determined their users would want in a physical book. This includes birth year, cover photo, and a dedication, which Bridget is selecting. When Bridget clicks Preview Your Book, she initiates the data integration process, which flows and maps all of the data that you just saw in Legacy into the book application. Within seconds, the book is finished and contains the obits, the guest book comments, and any photos that had been uploaded into the SharedBook site. Into the Legacy site. It's now available for purchase, and it can be further personalized. The user, after entering, can go into the saved book and add additional photos and stories, or delete some of the content that flowed in from Legacy. Now our user is accessing another feature of our platform, which is our real-time collaboration. He clicks Share on the nav bar so he can send the book to his sister. He enters his sister's email address. Now, in the interest of time, we've opened a new browser to demonstrate that indeed the email has been sent. The sister clicks the link and is brought to the flip book that is dynamically generated. She now has the option to add to the book, to personalize her own version of it, or to actually buy this copy of the book. The customer now has a completely personalized commemorative book that uses all of the user-generated content from Legacy as the basis for a unique product that also incorporates personal and family stories and photos. What you've just seen is a custom integration, our technology team working with Legacies. With the success of this first integration, we asked ourselves, how can we enable all web content to flow into our reverse publishing and collaborative engine? Today, we're pleased to introduce to you our suite of APIs, enabling any website to integrate its content into SharedBook. Our first API business partner is Sports Logic, a company that creates management communication tools for sports leagues and organizations. Our hypothetical user in this case is the All-American soccer mom, whose son plays in a youth soccer league. This is the site that mom goes often to check schedules and results for her son's team. Today, she sees that there's a new button called Create a Yearbook, and she clicks on it. It takes her to a product description page, and then it takes her to a page with a story on it that the team mom wrote earlier in the week. Only our mom wants to customize it for her son, so she changes the headline to Jack Saves the Day. Now she sees the team roster and the game results and schedule, which she also wants to flow into her book. She then creates a custom dedication, such as To My Son Jack, and she can even defray the cost of the book by choosing to include a word from her sponsor. While this book is being created, let me tell you that the biggest barrier to creating books on the web is being faced with blank pages. We solve that problem. Our user is now presented with a preview of her newly created book, which contains all of the data that she just selected off of the SportsLogic site. As before, she can personalize this further, as well as truly collaborate. You've just seen how our open API works easily for the consumer and seamlessly for our third partner, SportsLogic. In so doing, our partner is able to offer a completely personalized product, allowing its users to keep what they want in the form and combination that they want it. More importantly, we give them transactional revenue. We bring our collaboration and reverse publishing capability to every site, which can now create significant revenue. Web 2.0 sites and others can monetize beyond advertising. Come take a look.